Welcome back to my channel Artistic Jhinuk. This is the second video of foundation level tutorial series. In the previous video, we have learned about the introduction of the ISTQB exam. So today, in this video, we will learn about the very first chapter of this course, that is Fundamental of Testing. We have 7 questions from this chapter in the ISTQB Foundation level exam. Look for the keywords and understand its meaning throughout the tutorial. Test, test objective, test planning, test design, test monitoring, test implementation, test object, test data, test control, test analysis, test execution, test completion, coverage, schedule, procedure, debugging, traceability, root cause, testware, test case, test condition, test basis, test suite, test oracle, testing, error, failure, defect, quality assurance, quality, verification and validation. So look for these keywords in the whole tutorial and understand its meaning. So the very first topic of this chapter is what is testing. What actually testing means. Then there are 2 subtopics, objectives of testing. In this topic we will learn what are the objectives of testing, and the second subtopic is testing and debugging. What is actually testing and debugging and what is the difference between both of these. The second topic is why is testing necessary. In this topic we will see, is testing really necessary? Then we have subtopics as how testing contributes in success, which tells if testing is necessary, then how it works for the success of a software or application. Then it comes to quality management, how we can manage the quality, how testing helps to increase the quality of a software. Then the third subtopic is errors, defects and failures. Here we will learn the definition of each of these terms and differences. Third topic under this chapter is testing principles. There are total 7 testing principles which we will learn in details in later videos. The fourth topic is test process, which explains what are the processes which must be carried out while performing testing. We have 4 subtopics. First is test process in context. Second, test activities and tasks. Third, test work products. And fourth, traceability between the test basis and test work products. These topics will be far easier to learn when you will go through our later detailed videos, so don't worry about these new terms, if any. The last topic of this chapter is the psychology of testing, which explains how people take testing activity, how they think about this, what are the mentality of people while performing testing will be explained here. We have 2 subtopics, human psychology and testing, and then testers and developers mindset. We will start the first topic of first chapter, that is what is testing, in our next video. So see you there. Thank you for learning with me. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more videos. Keep learning more.